John Twist of University Motors, and today Houston has come by to take some pictures today, take a video, and I've got a really interesting problem with a really interesting solution. So let's talk about the sway bar. Here's the sway bar. It's not attached yet, and the sway bar, this car, I thought all MGBs that came to the United States came with sway bars. This one did not have one. There are holes up here, you can see these up here, for the bracket, and for the bracket that attaches and so forth. The problem that we have, we ordered this sway bar overnight, special delivery, and which is phenomenally expensive, only to find that something's wrong. So if we've got the link back here vertical, and we bring this guy up, look at how far off the bracket is. I mean, if we put the bracket up here, we can see that we're offset by a considerable distance here, right? And these are tapped holes into the frame with weld nuts on the backside. So it isn't just a simple matter of drilling new holes and putting bolts in there, because there's nothing to make threads. So, since we are in the business of problem solving, I went to Central Iron, got these. These are 1/4-inch plates. What these cost, John?
$2.89.
What's that?
Like $2.89.
$2. $2, or $3 or something. We got these plates. I've got one mounted up over here on this side. Let me move my light over here and see if we can get that. There we go. So I've got this plate mounted up here. Now what I'm right in the process of doing is figuring out just about where this guy should go, and I'm going to drill new holes in this plate, tap those, and then we'll bolt it up. Another way might be to take the sway bar and send it back to the supplier and say, hey, something's wrong. Well, I don't know. Is it the sway bar? Is it the car? Something's wrong. The quick solution is $2.89 and an extra hour of labor to get the problem sorted out. So there's often a way to sort out problems when the parts aren't quite right. If that is the problem, we don't know yet what the problem is. I've talked to our favorite major supplier, and they said, we'll take the dimensions of the anti-sway bar and send them to us, because they'll see if what they have been supplied by their supplier has been, oh, there goes our rattly air compressor. Anyway, we have yet to take this off, actually put it on the ground, make some measurements, and send it out. But there's always a way to solve a problem, and that's what a lot of MG work is problem solving. So this is kind of fun. You know, my customer isn't quite sure that he wants me to spend all this time doing it. Why not just send the bar back? But then I got to take the links off, and it's all but installed. And it won't take that much more to get this guy sighted and drilled and tap some 5/16 24 threads in it, just get it done. And then it'll be done and it'll be great. So anyway, it's just a quick video today about it. It's just at the end of May. It's about, I don't know, it feels like 48 degrees outside in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Unbelievable how chilly it is. But remember the summer of 1992? After Mount Pinatubo blew up, God was so upset that the Filipinos had thrown us out of Clark Air Force Base in Subic Bay that he blew up Mount Pinatubo, and it put all that dust in the air. In the summer of 1992 was extremely cold. I don't expect that's what's going on right now, because I don't remember any volcanoes that have blown up. But anyway, it's a cool summer, and I don't even know why I'm talking about it anyway. Except that it makes it difficult to drive your MG when it's so chilly, you know, at least without the top up. So, if you got a question, if you got a problem with your MG, you can't quite solve it, can't quite get through it, you can always call me. You can find my phone number on the web, something or other. And I'm always happy to talk to you, to solve your MG problem if you can't solve it yourself. But there's always a way to do it. So until later, safety fast.